Long ago, Libya had a very small banknote. It was 1/4 dinar. This note was used to buy very small things. Bread, tea, simple daily needs. But as time passed, prices slowly went up. So Libya said, people need a little more money. Libya printed a half-dinar note. Now buying things became easier. But life kept changing. More people, more shops, more trade. So Libya printed a 1 dinar note. This became the most common money. People used it every day. Later, buying bigger things needed more money. So Libya introduced the 5 dinar note. Now people could shop faster, without carrying too many small notes. Then prices increased again. Libya printed 10 dinar. This note was used for important purchases. As the economy grew, people needed even higher value. So Libya added 20 dinar. Less paper, more value. Finally, Libya introduced the 50 dinar note. This is the highest note, used for big expenses, savings, serious money. So Libya's banknotes grew like this. Small money to big money. This is how currencies grow over time. Not overnight, but step by step. This is the journey of Libyan banknotes. Libya. And this is World Cash Globe showing Europe Africa dollar banknote.